There's so much manufacturing in South Carolina right now, it's unbelievable. I designed a program based on the industry standards, what industry is looking for. That program is designed to put veterans to work, teaching people to go to work at Boeing, Volvo, Mercedes, Caterpillar, Federal Mogul, Dybo, Crescent Tool, any major manufacturing companies. These people are people that we train, that we can teach. There's just a shortage of trained employees.
We were in transitionary period. Some of them were coming straight out of the military, retirement. Some of us have been out for a long time and looking for a career change. The
biggest thing is that when the person gets out of the military, whether they drive a truck or whether they were a mechanic or welder, there's no certifications to go along with it when they get out. They got about 7 different national certifications out of this program.
It's 2 weeks out of your life. It's not a big deal. It's not a long process. And in the end, you're going to learn something that is marketable, and especially today.
I just went around the room listening. Navy, Marines, Army, and Air Force. Every branch was there. It just makes my week just to see those guys be successful. That's the most important thing.